Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today we're making Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs. These are affordable, and more than that, they are easy. First up, I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous 4-foot tall lantern. Now these retail in store anywhere from $60 to $100, and you can make it for under 15 bucks. This is the craft that involves those Dollar Tree rolling pins. You need 3 of them, as well as a Dollar Tree planter bucket and a lantern. Okay, so right now I'm at Walmart and they have tons of lantern options available, and these are like $7 to $10 a piece. Great price. I would recommend with the lantern removing the glass, especially if you have a toddler or a dog or maybe just an ornery cat. You know what I'm talking about. Cut a hole in the bottom of your planter and stick the rolling pin through so it goes all the way down, and this is going to create a nice stable base. The easiest way to put this together is to use a combination of hot glue and wood glue. Put a little bit of wood glue in the center, some hot glue around it, and glue one pin to the next. It will instantly dry, but it will also be nice and strong later. Optional but really cute is to add a flag holder to your lantern. I used a bit of leftover dowel wood as well as Dollar Tree styrofoam balls. And I added a square of balsa wood onto the top to give a bit more stability when we add our lantern. Once you add some black matte spray paint, this is all gonna come together. And Walmart spray paint is just 96 cents, just saying. Once your spray paint is dry, use E6000 to glue on your lantern. I didn't want to spend any additional money, and I can guarantee somewhere in your house you have some sad looking greenery that you're not using anymore, maybe an old wreath. Cut those things down and glue it onto the front of your lantern. The sky is the limit with creativity. Also, Walmart has tons of florals that are really robust, and lots of them are just $2 a piece. So I added in these really cute sparkly berries. This entire DIY was done in about 20 minutes for less than $20. I love how this turned out. And next is an even easier DIY. Now I've seen lots of versions of this all over Pinterest. I am in love with the Dollar Tree vintage placemats. They have a poinsettia, snowmen, and even a Santa Claus. If you take 2 of them and hot glue around the edges and fill it inside with batting, you can create a beautiful vintage pillow that looks like it retails for at least 30 bucks, and you spent just $2. This would also make a great gift idea, and it's such a fast way to decorate around your home. Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Next, I want to give you my favorite tip for making any mantle look great. If you have any type of greenery that you've already placed on your mantle, the key when going to Dollar Tree is 2 things. First, you want to pick up some Dollar Tree ribbon. You get 9 feet of it for just $1. I have not found it cheaper anywhere else. Weave that through your garland to give it some dimension. And then go to the ornament section and pick 2 types of ornaments to buy in bulk. My Dollar Tree was a little picked over, so this year I chose these glittery Merry Christmas ornaments. You get 6 of them for $1, as well as some glittery stars. I also already had some berries on hand, and I was able to stick it on top of the garland. It looks beautiful and lush, and was done on a shoestring budget. I am all about the DIYs that save you money but also save you time. If you enjoyed this video, you leave it a big thumbs up. I want to see you here next time. I love you guys, and I'll catch you soon. Bye. You guys hearing this cart? Every time I get the wonky cart. Literally every time. I could make a beach of this. Oh, no. If you are my people, you need to subscribe. I love you guys.